Okay, guys, this is another book I want to share. It's about UFOs again. So this book talks about UFOs and water, like the physical effects of UFOs on water through accounts by eyewitness. This is by Carl Feind. Like, I love this book. Like, it's the idea that maybe UFOs actually come from the water, or like our oceans, or our lakes. You know, like like the the most of our oceans on the Earth are mostly unexplored. So this makes you think that maybe UFOs are hiding in the oceans. Like, so UFOs have approximately 75% of the planet in which to operate undetected. I mean, they can be undetected because like we can't get under those depths with our current technology, but they can go in the water with their technology, because I mean, with our modern day like submarines, I don't think they can go that deep to maybe get them that fast. Plus, these UFOs can go really fast. They make our jets look really slow and stuff. From similar puzzle pieces supplied by ufologists throughout the years of UFO history, pictures are starting to take shape. Ufologist Carl Feind did not only contribute his own small piece, but he has also connected many of the previous pieces to form an enlightening and highly plausible theory. Feind's studies concern unidentified flying objects, UFOs, that enter and exit the dense medium of water. This aspect aroused his curiosity because while we humans do not understand alien science, we do not understand alien science. We do know our water. This book contains cases from just about every type of body of water, puddles to oceans. It opens a long overlooked door to discover the operating principles of UFOs by closely observing water's reaction to these craft, finding similarities among cases involving water. Carl Feind did an excellent job describing the movement of UFOs in water, entering water, leaving water, and moving above the water, and what the water conditions tell us about the mechanics of the operation of the vehicles. So, like, I like in the book how it shows like a lot of sketches. Oh, so they think this is how the UFO, like, when it goes in the ocean, it pulls the water in the craft, and then it pushes the water away to keep to keep it from like the craft crushing. So when it goes underneath the water, like, so the craft doesn't crush underneath those. I mean, if we can replicate that, we can probably go underneath the ocean as deep as we want to, and like, but we can't go that. You mean crushing, depths too, like. But it seems like these UFOs can go into our oceans like no problem, like without being, crushed, without the immense, pressure of the water. So they pull the water in, and then they push the water away from the craft when they go in the ocean and the water. And like, so it's like, they call like UFOs that go in the water, they call them USOs. USOs are like unidentified submersible objects. And so, I think maybe they're actually from our oceans. What if they're not actually from space? They're actually from our oceans. Because I heard of a story where when Christopher Columbus came to the New World, he found these orange orbs. The same things I'm talking about. Orange orbs, like I seen those things. Like he said, he probably saw those things when he was, you know, like like sailing the ocean. The ocean. When I was sailing the ocean, like he saw these orbs come up from the ocean. So like maybe they do come from the water. Because I mean, like our Earth is so unexplored, and we already know, like, about our Earth, but we don't really know. Like it's one strange rock that we're living on. Like like, we probably know more about Mars than Earth, our own planet, probably. I mean, there's many places on Earth you're not even allowed to go to that would get you killed if there are many things they don't want us to know. So, I mean, I probably believe in the inner Earth theory, the idea there's an inner Earth. It probably could come from the inner Earth. If there's aliens underneath the Earth, and like there's an inner Earth within the Earth. Like the journey to the center of the Earth, like Jules Verne, like he made a book about that. Maybe journey to the center of the Earth is like the inner Earth, and finding maybe like dinosaurs still living inside the Earth, and like maybe there could be still living like like maybe they're like aliens in there. It could be like maybe those orange orbs I'm talking about. Maybe that's where they come from. Cause I mean they keep coming sometimes. I mean like yeah. So UFOs and water. UFOs and